This video is about how to stay motivated. In the past, I've lost my motivation over many different things. I'd start going to the gym and then I'd lose motivation and just stop. I'd pay for the gym but just stop going. I've purchased motorcycles that needed work, started working on it, and then as soon as I hit a little roadblock or a little hiccup in the timeline of things, I'd lose motivation. Same thing goes for projects around the house. Every single time something comes up that kind of clashes with what it is that I'm trying to get done, I lose motivation. How do you go about staying motivated? What are the tips and tricks that I have used to help overcome these hurdles and stay motivated? Number one, I like bullet points. So in order for me to stay motivated, I have to find out what's important to me in life. So whether it's timing, finances, relationships, or whatever else is going on, I have to analyze everything and see what's more important, getting done what I intend to do or letting all of the other things in life get in my way. So it's just taking a step back and reanalyzing where I'm at. Number two, find someone or something to keep you accountable, whether it be a reminder on your phone or a close friend that can remind you, hey, this is what you're setting out to do, that they can come alongside you. Along with some close friends and family, I've let you guys know that my schedule is Sundays and Thursdays, and so you guys also keep me accountable to stay motivated to keep doing this. And third and final point, be realistic. You can be realistic with yourself that, hey, you might lose motivation, but you still gotta keep plugging away at it. Speaking of motivation, I've asked some of my siblings to come by and give their idea, their steps that they've taken in order to stay motivated on different goals that they've set in their lives. Check it out.
So my day-to-day motivation is, because I'm a housekeeper at work, so sometimes I do like time limits and I try to like compete with myself, and even little things. I don't know, I'm not a competitive person to other people, but I like to be competitive on my own terms with myself.
The one thing that motivates me is I want to be able to teach or explain to someone something in full detail if they have come up to me and asked me a question. Yep.
Well, I stay motivated by listening to music, which it kind of gets me in the groove of like isolating my mind onto one thing. But sometimes my mind wanders but music helps a lot. I also like to think of the future of what it's going to be like in like 5 years of, I set goals, and that keeps me motivated. Goals are very motivating.
If you like this video, hit like, comment below, and subscribe to see more videos.